Hello, here at Shoe Healer, and I'm using the Renomat or Renomat with Saphir product for cleaning the leather on shoes. Cleaning the leather when you see, look here, look at this old leather here. I'm just using the back of my knife. You see this polish, old polish that's built up on this shoe. So I'm just scraping it off now just to show you. We like to get in there and get all that old polish out. All that old polish, you can see it on top here, looks just absolutely stubborn as hell to get off. We'll get the Renomat on there, and look at that, just look, oh man, all that old polish. You can't even see the stitch in there. So what we do is we take a brush like this, cut the bristles down so they're a little bit stubby. We've got the lid from an aerosol, and we're on here and we're scrubbing away and we're getting into there and trying to loosen up all this old polish that's built up over time in these shoes. And then I like to take my knife and just get in there and scoop it all out. Look at all that. Just,
is that satisfying?
it is very satisfying, yeah. And then it builds up round here, around the edge, and get all of this polish. Now, I'm doing this for a customer who sent us in quite a lot of repairs. But you don't need me to do this, you don't need my expense to do this. Get yourself a brush, get yourself some of this, and every so often strip all the old polish off your shoes and give them some nourishment. Some Renovator or Renovator cream from Saphir is a good one. Or there's lots of other ones out there, mink oils and all sorts of stuff that you can put on once you've cleaned the old polish off, just to keep them supple, stop them splitting or cracking. This customer of ours, he says it's like his hobby, polishing his shoes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send him some darts or some dominoes or something, a pool cue, so he can go out and find himself another hobby and not spend all this time polishing his shoes, getting all this polish worked into the shoe. It dries hard and then it just buggers the leather up. So, you know, really lightly with your polish, a little bit of Renovator or some sort of Renovator on there now and again, and lightly with your polish.